Hi, John Walker for COD TV, and excited to bring this video to you. This is the first drone sunrise I did. You might wonder, well, why did you buy a drone? That's a question people ask. And one of the main reasons I bought a drone was I love beautiful scenery, I love sunset shots, and I'd be driving home or driving to work or up in the morning, and you know what's always in the way? Telephone poles, utilities, cars, trucks. But with the drone, you can get up high, up above, and see just some beautiful sunrises, some beautiful sunsets. So this is the very first sunrise I did. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like the video, as always, take a moment, subscribe to the channel for COD TV. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise and just enjoyed the beauty of the sunrise. I hope you enjoy as much as I enjoy seeing beautiful sunrises.